Okay, hello everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you all about primers versus dehydrators. Okay, so first things first, I do have a couple of different types of dehydrators here. So I have the Mia Secret Nail Prep Dehydrator, and I also have the Valentino Nail Prep Dehydrator. I'm more experienced with the Mia Secret just because that's what I started out with first. And I actually just got my Valentino Nail Prep Dehydrator in the mail. But I do plan to do a full set with Valentino soon. And I'll be sure to record that so I can give you all more, sort of like an idea of what I think about it. And how it wears. And then same thing with the primers. So I am more experienced with the Young Nails Protein Bond and the Mia Secret Xtrabond. I've used both of these, both for a long time. So I've used these two together and these two together, which I say these two, they work well as a combo. And then I do plan to use these two together. So I really won't be talking much about these ones, so I just want to let you all know that I do have a couple of different kinds. But I do plan on doing a video about this at a separate time. Okay, so going ahead and narrowing it down to all of these. So the first thing with the primer is, if you look at how I prep in my videos, the primer is supposed to be applied right after you've went ahead and gone in with the sanding band or the hand file and you've prepped the natural nail, so you've removed the shine from it and also any dead cuticle around the nail, and you go in and you dehydrate. Whenever you dehydrate, you want to make sure that the nail returns back to how it looked right after you have just prepped it. So it should be kind of like ashy looking, like, you know, a little dusty. Not dusty like where there's dust particles, but it's like, it's mattified, okay? And then you can go in with your primer of choice. And I like that this is no burn. Honestly, this one smells better. It's almost like the Young Nails has like a sweet scent to it, and I do like that. And I've used both, and I haven't had any lifting with either of them. But either one really is fine. But I do enjoy the Protein Bond because of the smell. I won't lie, it's a little more expensive than the Mia Secret one, and you get less for what you pay for. But again, it's quality product, so I do suggest it. And it also does work well with the nail prep. Okay, and this one you just go around one time with the primer, as opposed to the Young Nails you're supposed to go around twice. So, but then also what I suggest, whenever you're doing your primer, only prime the hand that you're going to do right that second. Especially if you're doing a set that you know takes you a minute, only prime that one hand, and then when you get ready to do the other hand, apply the primer on the next hand. Just because you don't want to do it and then the primer has been sitting there and maybe it's not going to be as effective because it's kind of dried down some. So again, that's why I do suggest that you do the hand you're going to do first, because primer works best when it's applied fresh. And a lot of people don't tell you that, but that's really how you should be applying your primer. Okay. Now, don't forget to put it on there. If you're going to be forgetful, then go ahead and put it on there. Just make sure your prep work is really good. But still, that's the way I suggest that you go ahead and apply your primer. So ultimately, that's kind of all I really wanted to come on here and tell you all about. It was just your primers and how you should be applying them, along with your prep. So if you all have any questions, just leave me a comment down below and I'll be sure to answer any of them for you. And again, I will be coming out with a video on how I like the Valentino system. I recently bought quite a bit of their powders, and I'm excited to try out their prep, like their prep pieces. I wasn't able to get any monomer yet. I think they're sold out at the moment. But next time I can get some monomer, I'll be sure to do like a full system review. But as for right now, all I have is this. So kind of have to work with that and then the powders that I have. Okay. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.